Okay. Now next we will see simple past. So simple past also has four subdivisions, that is simple past, past tense, simple past, past continuous, perfect, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Okay, so simple past first we will see. So it is used to express a habitual action in the past. So simple present was habitual action which was in present, and this is habitual action in the past. Like for example, he always carried his little typewriter. Carried. Okay, so we can see this word carried is a simple past. Next one, we will see that an action completed in the past at a definite time. We know the time. Yes, in a definite time. That is, I met Sudha at the supermarket. Where? At the supermarket this afternoon. So the time is given there, this afternoon, and she met. I met. Okay, so the word met is what? Simple past. Next we will see is past continuous. Okay, so here we use was and word. Okay, and the ing form. So let's see what is past continuous tense. It is used to express an action or a state which occurred in the past and continued for some times. Okay, the action which occurred in the past and it is continuing, it continued for some times in the present. Now, what? It was raining last night. I know this because I was studying till very late. Okay. Okay. So, next one, he was repairing his bicycle when you called. So, what is this? An action which occurred in the past but it still continued. Okay. I was repairing his bicycle when you called. Next is past perfect. Okay, here we use had plus past participle of verb. What is past perfect? An action or an event in the past which happened before another event. Like example, we will see the shops had already closed by the time I reached the market. Okay, the shops had already closed. So, by the time I reached the market. So, by the time I reached the market is one action and closing the shop is one action. So, what is here in the past perfect is given which happened before another event. Okay, so I reached the market is what? Another event. So, the shop had already closed when he reached there. Next we will see past perfect continuous. Okay, so here we will see what is past perfect continuous is. This tense is used for an action which began before the time of speaking in the past and continued up the time. We will learn from example, that is he came home after midnight. Okay, he came home after midnight. He had been attending a friend's wedding. So what is that which began before the time of speaking? Okay, this event began before the time of speaking, means he came after the midnight. He had been attending friend's wedding. Clear?